Hello, my name is Matt. I'm an owner of a building here in the center of Brussels, in Belgium, that consists of 25 apartments. I want to explain to you why I chose the heating kettle, the heating boilers of Thermogroup, because it's quite small, it's easy to install. All the information is available on their website. You have several videos on YouTube that you can follow, that you can for the instructions. Pretty small, so the boiler actually provides water for all what is sanitary, so the showers, the bathrooms, the toilets, but and the heating here, the heating kettle is heating the whole apartment, so it's multifunctional, multitasking. We chose this solution because due to the increasing gas prices, and also because we have solar panels on the roof. So 25 apartments, so let me just show you. So I'm on the 5th floor, I'm getting out of one apartment just to show you another one. There we go. So now, in the previous apartments, you saw that we placed it in like a small storage room, which was actually a vestiaire, so a clothing room. But here we had no space, so we had to put it inside the kitchen. So here you see the boiler, and right there in the corner, you see the heating kettle. So I have to admit that we actually didn't encounter any problems. Everything is functional since the first day that we installed it. So I would actually recommend it to everybody. It's small, it's compact, it's the after sales service is so reactive. As soon as I send a message or something, they answer me within the half an hour. So anyways, I recommend it to anybody who's looking for an electrical solution to heat up their apartment, studio, or home. Thank you for listening.